Lesson 20. The horse couldn't sing. Kuda, pelajaran 20. Kuda tidak bisa bernyanyi. Did you enjoy the opera last night? Fred asked. Apakah Anda menikmati opera tadi malam? Fred bertanya. Very much, I answered. Sangat, saya menjawab. I must go too, Fred said. What is a good performance? Aku harus pergi juga, Fred berkata. Apakah ini pertunjukan yang bagus? I don't know, I answered. Aku tidak tahu, saya menjawab. But you say it, didn't you? Tapi kau melihatnya, bukan? Well, I only saw half of it. Ya, saya hanya melihat sebagian dari opera itu. Did you leave before the end of the performance? Fred asked. Apakah Anda meninggalkan sebelum akhir pertunjukan? Fred bertanya. Yes and no, I answered. Ya dan tidak, saya menjawab. What do you mean, yes and no? Fred asked. Apa maksudmu, ya dan tidak? Fred bertanya. Then you didn't enjoy it, Fred said. Kalau begitu Anda tidak menikmatinya, Fred berkata. No, I enjoy it very much, I answered. Tidak, aku sangat menikmatinya, saya menjawab. Then why did everyone leave before the end? Kalau begitu Anda tidak. Lalu mengapa semua orang pulang sebelum berakhir? I laughed and said. Saya tertawa dan berkata, It was very funny really. Pertunjukan sangat lucu. There were to live a few times. Ada 2 ekor kuda hidup di opera. The singers led them carefully across the stage a few times. Para penyanyi menempatkan mereka dengan hati-hati melintasi punggung beberapa kali. But in the second act, tapi dalam aksi kedua, one of the horse jumps off the stage. Salah satu kuda melompat keluar panggung and run round the theater. Dan berlari mengelilingi teater. It refused to go back. Ia menolak untuk kembali. Then the curtain came down. Lalu tirai diturunkan. And we all had to leave. Dan kami semua sebaiknya pulang. Perhaps the horse can't sing, Fred suggests. Mungkin kudanya tidak bisa bernyanyi, Fred menyarankan. Thank you.